Okay, it's Thursday, the 20-something of June, 25th, 24th. I've just taken the doors off. You're only supposed to blow the doors off. Yeah, I know I should have said something else then. It's about 5 o'clock and there's nobody here. Completely by myself. But still, first bits are off, doors are off. Kevin McLeod, here you go, eat your heart out. Can't remember the name of the guy that does the sheds programme, unfortunately. Nice metal beams in the roof, we'll be keeping those. Probably replacing most of the wood because there's daylight coming through over there. Love those vents. Fantastic woodwork on this side. It's a shame it's rotted on the other side. But the quality of it is brilliant. For what is in effect just a boxcar for rubbish. Well, rubbish. Shipping stuff. It's a brilliant bit of work. It's a 16 by 8. So handily, that'll fit exactly in our garden. That one was the better one of the two. This one isn't lined, so this one is only one skin thickness. Although according to the painting on the side, this one's a 12 tonner. The other one's a 10 tonner. But the roof bars on this one are slightly different. And some of the roof panels are good, so it'll be get up on the roof and have a look and see how they're held on. I bet they're these stupid shaped bolts again.